truck where I live. And it's like a little local hotspot, I guess you could say. I think the reason it's so popular is because each taco is only 50 cents there. And they have like 10 different, not even 10 more, like 20 different types of meat that you can get. They sell like tacos, tortas, burritos. They even sell like hamburgers because some kids don't really like the tacos. Where I live, there's a little area where a lot of Mexican people live. It's called the slums. Well, that's what we call it. Slater Slums, because it's on a street called Slater. It's just what it's called. But anyways, that's where the taco place is. I go there. It's so good. But yeah, I'm pretty hungry, so sorry if I eat these really quick. Just putting some salt and lime on them. I also have, they have radishes there, so I always get some radishes and eat them with the tacos. It's really good. It's like a texture change up. Goes from chewy to crunchy. Usually, people just get, like, if you're not willing to eat, like the more authentic cuts of meat, like buche, Chavito, lengua, chicharron, like stuff like that. People just usually eat asada, which is just meat, steak from a cow. But that's not my favorite one. I usually eat what's called al pastor, which is like it's basically just pork, but day today. I'm having a pretty good day. I have the weekend off, so I'm just trying to sit back and relax because my job is usually really grueling. Like, if it's not Tuesday morning, which is like the worst day, you have to go in there at 3 in the morning. Usually, I'm sorry, that was rude, but anyways, I have to go there at 3 in the morning. This isn't if it's not the truck day, which is usually, and then I have to just unload the truck and then stock it, all the merchandise that we got that day. But I go in there at 3 and just, it's usually just manual labor, honestly. Like, I help customers too, but my job title is not specifically to help customers. So I'm usually the one that gets to do the groundwork and stuff. But like I said in on my previous videos, I've been there for a while now, and they really like me over there. And I'm a good worker. I have good leadership skills, so they often ask me to. Well, recently they've been asking me to step up to the plate a little bit and show the newer people what to do, because in this job, we literally go through people like, we hire them 1 week, and then they don't come again the next week, they just quit. That's like 75% of the people that apply to get the job, they just quit in a week. So I don't know. Getting a job's tough right now, so I'm just putting up with it. I'm used to it, so it's not that bad anymore. I don't mind working hard. It's good for me anyways. It's pretty much like going to the gym. Because I just go in there, start lifting heavy objects and running around for 6 hours. So I'm just thinking, like, hey, I'm getting paid to go to the gym. Basically. I don't know. I guess I'm just trying to have a positive outlook on it. But yeah. Having a good day today. Went out and just ran a few errands that I had to do. And just came home. Grabbed some tacos. It's one of my favorite things to eat. It's like a local delicacy. Because it's only here where I live. I've had a few ideas on things I could possibly do. I was thinking of maybe doing like some accents while whispering. Just maybe like a southern drawl or something like that, or possibly a slight British accent. Not quite sure. accents, but I often do like. I like to. I wanted to do like voice acting for a while, but I don't think I have the natural skill to do it. I mean, it'd be fun. It'd be something I've read that'd be really fun. But like I said, I don't think I have the natural talent. It seems like one of those things you kind of have to be naturally gifted. You can't really work at it too much. I mean, I'm sure you can, but actually, the accent thing was probably the only thing I had. I can do a Russian accent for you. Ready for the Russian accent? Or I could do other accents, but I don't think they're very soothing. They're more annoying and loud. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope this was relaxing. Good night or day.